Why are APIs important for you? It's safe to say that your entire online experience runs on APIs. They help simplify tasks without the need to switch between multiple applications. This offers benefits not just for regular internet users but also for marketers and industry professionals. Let's break down why APIs are so important for you. The first one is APIs streamline your processes. APIs enable you to connect multiple applications and create a more streamlined process. Instead of switching between four different applications, you will be able to use one software to access all four. As such, APIs are particularly useful for social media managers and marketing professionals. Many of the platforms they use integrate with one another, allowing them to complete countless tasks from a single dashboard. The Sprout Social Smart Inbox is an excellent example of this. Before you would log into Facebook and Twitter separately, check messages, run search terms, and respond to tagged posts. Now, thanks to the network APIs, you can see it all in one view, cutting out on extra time. APIs improve connectivity and speed up everyday tasks. APIs allow different applications to communicate seamlessly. As a result, they create conveniences in our daily lives even without us realizing it. It's with the help of APIs that we can quickly check the weather on our phones and decide whether to bring an umbrella or not. We have seen rapid growth in convenient mobile applications that make it easier to do things. This could be anything from ordering groceries online to tracking your budget. Moreover, APIs have enabled the emergence of the Internet of Things (IoT). This has created better connectivity between the devices we use in our daily lives. For example, we are now able to monitor our doorsteps even from miles away or just the thermostat right from the couch. The next point is businesses expand with APIs. Offering an API can help you expand your business's potential. There are also so many resources a business can offer. Having an API available with developers who are eager to build on them can expand their offerings to more people. A good example is software like Mint, which can connect with multiple banks and compile it on one area. A bank's core offering is storing your money and recording your credit card expenses. The bank allows Mint to connect to its API so you can better manage your money and consequently continue being a customer at the bank. How APIs add a layer of security. APIs apply different security practices so applications can safely transfer information. This typically involves adding another layer of security between the sensitive data and the client. With the help of APIs, you can ensure that the server never has full access to your device's platform data. Instead, the different applications or devices will only share the necessary data. Additionally, users also have control over the data that they want to share. For example, you can choose to deny a request for a website to access your physical location via a location API. Five things you should know about APIs. To recap, here are five takeaways for APIs. The first one is developers work with APIs to create softwares and apps. It's rare for you, the end user, to interact directly with an API. The second one is APIs operate as a gate, allowing companies to share select information while keeping unwanted requests out. The third one is API can make your life run a little smoother when airlines share data about flights and prices. Travel aggregating sites can compile them about and help you compare. Businesses runs on APIs. Sprout Social is an example of software that depends on the APIs of social media networks. If you are not using The fifth one is if you are using a third party app to manage your social media, it might not be the app's fault that the feature isn't available. It's more likely that the network doesn't have it as part of its API. For social media managers, APIs have made it all the easier to manage social media platforms and profiles using a single tool. Learn more about how to leverage them and optimize your social media management strategy. It was written by Jacqueline Zott. Jacqueline Zott is a professional content writer and editor. Her interests range from pop culture and mythology to content development and social activism. In her free time, she goes on food adventures and writes unrhymed poetry. Her short fiction has appeared in anthologies published by Harry Collins Publishers and Zuban Books. So that was for today's video in which we talked about APIs. And that's all. Thank you.